Hey there, budget buddies. If you're using EveryDollar to take control of your finances, you're already on the right track. But manually entering bank transactions can be a real drag, right? Today, I'm excited to walk you through how to import your bank transactions quickly and easily. This feature saves you time and helps keep your budget accurate, so let's dive in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your EveryDollar account. If you haven't already, head to the EveryDollar website or app and sign in with your credentials. Once you're in, look for the Transactions tab. It's usually right on the main dashboard. Click on that, and you'll see options for adding or importing transactions. Now, here's where the magic happens. EveryDollar makes it simple to connect directly to your bank. Click on the Import Transactions button, and you'll be prompted to link your bank account. Select your bank from the list. It's got connections to major ones like Chase, Bank of America, and more. If your bank isn't listed, don't worry. You can upload a CSV file exported from your bank's website. After selecting your bank, you'll need to authorize the connection. This might involve entering your bank login details on a secure page. Rest assured, EveryDollar uses encryption to keep your info safe. Once authorized, EveryDollar will pull in your recent transactions automatically. It usually takes just a minute or two. Once the import is complete, take a quick scan through the list. EveryDollar is smart about categorizing things like groceries or bills, but you might need to tweak a few. Just click on any transaction to edit its category, add notes, or mark it as cleared. This step ensures your budget reflects your real spending habits. And there you have it. That's how you keep your EveryDollar budget up to date without the hassle. By importing transactions regularly, you'll spot overspending early and stay on top of your financial goals. If you run into any issues, check the EveryDollar Help Center or reach out to their support team. They're super helpful. Thanks for watching. If this tip saved you time, hit that like button and subscribe for more money-saving hacks. See you next time.